Welcome back, nature enthusiasts and bird photographers. Today we're diving into the world of budget-friendly lenses ideal for capturing those stunning bird moments. Whether you're a seasoned birder or just starting out, finding the right lens can make all the difference. Join us as we review the top 5 lenses that combine affordability with quality for bird photography. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 1, Canon RF 800mm EF or 11 IS STM. The Canon RF 800mm EF/11 IS STM is a super telephoto prime lens designed for Canon's RF mount cameras, offering impressive reach at an accessible price point. Key features. This lens features a fixed aperture of f11, built-in image stabilization, IS, and a lightweight design. It utilizes STM, stepping motor technology for smooth and quiet autofocus. The lens is compatible with Canon's RF mount, ensuring high optical performance. Benefits and usage. The RF 800mm f11 IS STM provides excellent reach for capturing distant bird subjects without the need for a tripod, thanks to its IS system. The fixed aperture simplifies exposure control, making it suitable for beginners. Its compact size and lightweight construction enhance portability, ideal for birding expeditions. Usability. Designed for ease of use, this lens offers simple operation with its fixed aperture and effective IS. It's suitable for handheld shooting, allowing photographers to capture birds in various environments effortlessly. The STM motor ensures quick and accurate autofocus, essential for capturing birds in flight. Durability. While primarily made of lightweight materials to enhance portability, the RF 800mm f11 IS STM is robust enough for regular field use. Its build quality ensures durability, maintaining reliability over extended periods of bird photography. In the second spot, we have Nikkor AF-S 200-500mm f5. 6E EDVR. The Nikkor AF-S 200-500mm f5. 6E EDVR is a versatile zoom lens from Nikon, known for its long reach and optical performance, catering to wildlife photographers, including bird enthusiasts. Key features. This lens offers a focal range of 200-500mm with a maximum aperture of f5. 6. It incorporates Nikon's vibration reduction, VR technology for steady handheld shooting. The lens features extra-low dispersion ED glass elements to minimize chromatic aberrations and enhance image clarity. Benefits and usage. With its zoom range, the Nikkor 200-500mm f5. 6E EDVR provides flexibility in framing distant birds. The VR technology compensates for camera shake, crucial for sharp images during handheld shooting. The ED glass elements ensure high resolution and contrast, ideal for capturing bird details. Usability. Designed for wildlife photographers, this lens is user-friendly with its zoom mechanism and VR system. It allows photographers to adjust focal length quickly, accommodating different birding scenarios. The ergonomic design and balanced weight distribution enhance handling comfort, suitable for prolonged use. Durability. Built with robust materials, the Nikkor 200-500mm f5. 6E EDVR is durable and capable of withstanding outdoor conditions. Its weather-sealed construction protects against dust and moisture, ensuring reliability in various environments. Coming in at number 3 is the Canon EF 100-400mm f4. 5.5/6L IS II USM. The Canon EF 100-400mm f4. 5.5/6L IS II USM is a telephoto zoom lens renowned for its optical excellence and versatility, favored by photographers for wildlife and bird photography. Key features. This lens offers a flexible focal range of 100-400mm with a variable maximum aperture of f4, 5.6. It features Canon's image stabilizer IS technology for up to 4 stops of shake correction. The lens incorporates an ultrasonic motor, USM, for fast and silent autofocus. Benefits and usage. The EF 100-400mm f4. 5.5/6L IS II USM provides a versatile range suitable for various birding situations, from close-ups to distant shots. The IS system minimizes blur caused by camera shake, enabling handheld shooting even in low-light conditions. The USM ensures quick and accurate autofocus, crucial for capturing birds in motion. Usability. Designed for professional use, this lens features intuitive controls and a sturdy build. It includes a zoom ring for precise focal length adjustments and a focus ring for manual override. The ergonomic design enhances handling comfort during prolonged shoots. Durability. Constructed with Canon's L-series weather-sealed design, the EF 100-400mm SF4 5.5 6L IS II USM is durable and resilient against environmental elements. It withstands the rigors of outdoor photography, ensuring consistent performance in challenging conditions. Taking our fourth spot is Sigma 100-400mm f5 6.3 DG DNOS Contemporary. The Sigma 100-400mm f5 6.3 DG DNOS Contemporary is a compact and lightweight telephoto zoom lens designed for mirrorless cameras, offering excellent performance at an affordable price. Key features. This lens covers a focal range of 100-400mm with a maximum aperture of f5 6.3. It features optical stabilization, OS, for shake reduction and smooth panning. The lens includes special low dispersion, SLD, glass elements for minimizing chromatic aberrations. Benefits and usage. The Sigma 100-400mm f5 6.3 DG DNOS Contemporary provides a versatile zoom range suitable for various birding scenarios. The OS system compensates for camera shake, allowing handheld shooting at slower shutter speeds. The SLD glass elements ensure sharp and detailed images with reduced color fringing. Usability. Designed for mirrorless systems, this lens offers a compact size and lightweight construction, enhancing portability without compromising optical performance. The zoom and focus rings provide smooth operation, while the customizable buttons add versatility in control options. Durability. Constructed with a sturdy build, the Sigma 100-400mm f5 6.3 DG DNOS Contemporary is durable and reliable for outdoor use. Its dust and splash-proof design protects against environmental elements, ensuring longevity in various shooting conditions. Finally, at number 5, we have Canon RF 100-400mm f5 6.8 IS USM. The Canon RF 100-400mm f5 6.8 IS USM is a lightweight and compact telephoto zoom lens designed for Canon's RF mount cameras, offering affordability and versatility for bird photographers. Key features. This lens covers a focal range of 100-400mm with a variable aperture of f5 6.8. It features Canon's image stabilizer, IS, for steady shots, and an ultrasonic motor, USM, for fast and quiet autofocus. The lens includes a control ring for customizable settings. Benefits and usage. The RF 100-400mm f5 6.8 IS USM provides a flexible zoom range suitable for capturing distant birds. The IS system compensates for camera shake, ensuring sharp images during handheld shooting. The USM delivers swift autofocus performance essential for capturing birds in flight. Usability. Designed for usability, this lens features a compact and lightweight design, ideal for portable bird photography. The control ring offers customizable control over aperture, shutter speed, and ISO settings, enhancing creative flexibility. The lens's ergonomic design and intuitive controls facilitate comfortable handling during extended shoots. Durability. Constructed with robust materials, the RF 100-400mm f5 6.8 IS USM is durable and reliable for outdoor use. Its weather-sealed construction protects against dust and moisture, ensuring consistent performance in various environmental conditions. There you have it, our top picks for budget-friendly lenses for bird photography. Whether you're capturing eagles soaring in the sky or hummingbirds fluttering in your garden, these lenses offer quality optics without breaking the bank. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and reviews on photography gear. Happy shooting and see you next time.